Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Good morning, Dr. Reed. Thank you for seeing me.
Good morning, Alice. Please, have a seat. How have you been feeling?
Honestly, not great. I've been really stressed lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me more about what's causing your stress?
Well, I have a big presentation at work next week. I'm so afraid I'll fail.
That's a common worry. Have you been sleeping well?
Not really. I keep waking up at night thinking about it.
I understand. Stress can really affect our sleep. Do you avoid working on the presentation because you're nervous?
Yes, I delay practicing because I'm scared it won't be perfect.
Many people feel that way. Let's talk about some strategies to manage this.
Okay, I'd appreciate that.
First, try breaking your preparation into small steps. It makes big tasks less scary.
That sounds helpful. What else can I do?
Deep breathing exercises can calm your mind. Would you like to try one now?
Sure.
Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly for 4 seconds.
I already feel a bit more relaxed.
Then out for 4 seconds. Good. Practice this whenever you feel anxious. Also, remember that nobody expects perfection.
You're right. I put too much pressure on myself.
Exactly. Be kind to yourself. How is your diet these days?
Not very good. I often skip meals when I'm busy.
Eating regularly is important. It helps keep your energy stable.
I'll try to remember that. Do you think exercise helps with stress?
Definitely. Even a short walk can make a big difference. Do you like walking?
Yes, I have a park near my home.
Perfect. Try to go there for 20 minutes a day.
I will. Sometimes I feel very alone with my problems.
Talking to friends or family can help. Do you have someone to talk to?
I have a friend, Emma, but I don't want to bother her.
True friends don't mind listening. Maybe you can call her this week.
That's a good idea. I also get headaches when I'm stressed.
That's common. Are you drinking enough water?
Probably not. I forget to drink water.
Try keeping a water bottle on your desk. It's a simple reminder.
I'll do that. What about listening to music? Does that help?
Yes, calming music can be very effective. What kind of music do you like?
I like classical music sometimes.
That's great for relaxation. You can listen while you work.
I'll try it. Sometimes I feel like I have no free time.
Managing your time is key. Do you use a planner or a calendar?
No, I don't. I just try to remember everything.
Writing things down can reduce mental load. I recommend trying it.
Okay, I'll buy a notebook. Do you think hobbies are important?
Very important. They give your mind a break. Do you have any hobbies?
I used to enjoy painting, but I stopped.
Maybe it's time to start again, even for a short time each week.
I think I will. It was fun. How can I stop negative thoughts?
When you have a negative thought, try to replace it with a positive one.
For example,
Instead of, I will fail, say, I will do my best.
that sounds simple but powerful.
It is. Our thoughts shape our feelings. How is your work environment?
It's okay, but sometimes it's noisy.
Maybe you can use headphones to focus better.
I never thought of that. I'll try it.
Small changes can make a big difference. Are you hard on yourself in other areas of life?
Yes, I think so. I always want to be the best.
It's good to have goals, but balance is important.
I understand. I'll work on that.
Progress, not perfection. How do you feel now after our talk?
Much better. I have some new ideas to try.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to schedule another session next week?
Yes, please. Thank you, Dr. Reed.
You're welcome, Alice. Remember, progress takes time.
I will remember. Have a good day.
You too, Alice. Take care.